Alright, these are going to be the elevators here at UPMC Outpatient Center off Manheim Pike in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And we have ThyssenKrupp elevators to ride. These are ThyssenKrupp Endura MRLs. Oh wow, these are on separate controllers. Interesting. I think this one's used for a passenger/service elevator. Here's this one. Give it to 202R. There's the front door. There's the back door. Now the 1 and 1R is locked. Nice elevator for a medical office building, definitely well taken care of. These are your 8-hole buttons. Typical down there, elevator was installed in 2016. Floor indicator capacity is 4,500, elevator 1. Oh wow, I can still open up the rear door despite 1R being closed off. There goes that elevator. And now we get this elevator. This one's the smaller of the two, but this one's a standard passenger car. Take it to 2. Here on 2. Go back down to 1. Pretty similar to your one, except this one's a lot smaller. It has different lights. These are your 8-hole buttons. Your floor indicator capacity on this car is 2,500, elevator 2. Certificate right there. Just like the other one, this elevator was installed in 2016. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.